We are back with tutorial number 3 of the SNS newbie guide. I'm Celine, one of your SNS tutors. If you have been following along, you should know how to get a domain already, either via registration or the secondary marketplace, and feel quite cozy navigating your profile. Today we're taking it a step further and really building on this idea of on-chain identity. This means we're adding a profile picture, setting your primary domain, and adding some Web2 socials. Let's waste no more time and get you set up. Sweet. So I have now navigated to the sns.id website, and the first thing we're tackling is setting your primary domain. You may ask, what does it mean to set a primary domain? Well, this is a function that is pretty useful when you own multiple domains and a single wallet address. What we're trying to do with this is signal to decentralized applications what your preferred identity is. And this way, we are also keeping your on-chain identity consistent across different dApps. If you have not selected a favorite domain, dApps tend to just take a random one from the list of the domains you own, and this can cause some inconsistencies or discrepancies across your on-chain identity. Let's dive into an example. Dropping down my profile in the top right hand corner and going to my domains. I have purposefully chosen a wallet that owns multiple domains for this example. I currently do not have a favorite domain name set, and this is actually indicated by the wallet address displayed at the top of the screen, A41TA. To continue this example, I'm actually going to use our friends at Squad's UI, which is beautifully done, to explain this. Hopping over there now. Members of a squad, and here you can see that all three of us own domain names, but this is the wallet address I'm currently using, A41T, and the domain that's currently resolving is ao.sol. And this is one of them that I own. I love it, but it's not my preferred on-chain identity. So let's change that. I'm gonna hop back to SNS profile, and you'll see this really neat shiny banner that says choose your on-chain identity and set a primary domain. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this button, and then you will see a list of domains. If you own a list of domains, to set it, I'm gonna search for a domain name because I typically like first names. I know which one I want to go for, and that is brody.sol. Then select the set primary button. It's gonna prompt a transaction. If you haven't connected your wallet yet, you're gonna be asked to enter your password. Mine's fine. I just confirmed, and transaction is completed. I'm gonna close that. How fast was that? Now you can see that my wallet address at the top of the page has changed to brody.sol. So that's an indicator that a primary domain has currently been selected. But to put this into practice, I'm gonna hop back over to Squads. I haven't refreshed the page yet, but let me just do that. And here you will see that my name has officially changed to brody.sol, and that is how we keep our identity consistent across multiple decentralized applications. I love Squads. I love how fast they are with this. Also, a good note is that do not worry, if you've set one primary domain, you can always change it to another one. You will follow a similar process by saying, for example, let's take this domain, view it, and then you will select make primary, sign the transaction again, and your old favorite domain will be replaced. Go refresh your dApp and it should be displayed perfectly. Now we're moving over to setting your profile picture. You have a fancy name, and now you need a face. Next to your primary domain, you'll see a little icon with an edit button. Go ahead and click on that one, and you will see that the modal states edit profile picture. You have either a upload new picture button. If you click this, you will be prompted to go to the storage in your laptop, either via downloads or desktop, and select something that you have previously saved. Or you can add a new picture URL. This is the way I'm gonna go because I'm taking a picture off of the internet directly. So I've already searched for one. I'm hopping over there, horse face, and this dude with guns and all. I don't know, seems like me. I'm gonna right click on that and select copy image address. When that's done, hop back and paste that right over here and click save. It's going to send another transaction. Once again, this only costs a gas fee. Go ahead and sign that, and the transaction is completed. As you can see, next to your favorite or primary domain name, you will now have a profile picture. Although not all dApps prefer to resolve profile pictures, if they do, you now have a name and a face to go with it. So definitely worth setting it up so you don't have to do it in another dApp again. So congratulations, you currently have a primary domain and a profile picture. The next step we are taking is connecting some web to socials. And what I mean by that is connecting things like Telegram, Discord, or your Twitter handle. If you are a domainer that owns multiple domains and looking to speculate on trade with them, it's always valuable to have some socials connected so buyers can contact you to strike some sort of deal. I highly recommend this. The method I'm going for is connecting my Twitter handle, and you'll see right next to my favorite domain and my profile picture a connect to X button. Go ahead and click on that. I have really exciting news to share with you. When you connect your Twitter handle via this method, you could actually use it for payments similar to how you use a domain name. So once your Twitter handle is linked, using any popular wallet such as Phantom or Solflare or Backpack, if you add your handle, for example, at not like Dion, which is mine, you will actually be able to send funds to it or receive funds to it. So I'm going to set up my X account to this. So they're going to ask you to tweet your wallet address. And so once you click this tweet button, it actually prompts a perfect tweet for you to just send out. And this is just for verification processes. You can delete this directly afterwards. So I'm going to go ahead and click tweet. So it says claiming my Twitter handle on Solana using SNS, linking it to my wallet, blah, blah, blah. And you'll go ahead and select post. And once it's posted, you just want to open this tweet up over here. I'm going to hop back to the profile and click next because we have completed this step. And you'll see they'll ask you to paste your tweet link. So you'll go back there, copy this URL, hop back to this, and just paste it over there. Your handle will automatically be filled in for you, and that's it. You're done. You're just going to say claim X handle. Sign a transaction, only going to cost a gas fee once again, and transaction completed. Let's close that up. I'm going to refresh this page, and there you will see that my Twitter handle has been added, and we have currently just completed a profile. You have built an on-chain identity. You have a primary domain, you have a profile picture set, and you have your Twitter handle attached so buyers can contact you or people in general can just connect on Solana. And there you have it, guys. I cannot believe we have completed the third tutorial of the newbie guide. I hope you followed along and you have set up that profile. Let's get connected on dApps and with friends on Solana. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach us on Discord at discord.sns.id or Telegram or even Twitter for our 24-hour customer support. I cannot wait to have the next tutorial uploaded, and we'll get you to top tier domainers in an episode or two. See you next time.